Good evening all. This is the tutorial regarding how to attain the periodic test. We have prepared one demo paper. The time of the demo paper is 6 p.m. on 30th of August. If you want to start the paper, you need to click on that particular icon. Once you click on that, you are not currently able to attend the paper as the paper will start at 30 August at 6 p.m. and it will closes by 6:30 p.m. So whenever the paper will start, we can attend the paper. If you are going to start the paper earlier, it will show you the error message that this quiz is not currently available and you need to back to the course. So it's very important to attend the paper as strictly as per the schedule and timing given in a periodic timetable along with the syllabus. As the paper time is 6 p.m., we'll try the same paper at 6 p.m. Right now it's 5:47. In a part 2, we'll try to attend the paper and try to submit the paper. Thank you. See, we can check now it's 5:59 and if you refresh the page, it's still showing that the quiz is not currently available. It means it will start exactly as per the time given. If it is 6 p.m. then it will start at 6 p.m. If your paper is at 10 a.m. then it will start exactly at 10 a.m. So you need to wait exactly as per the timing. We are waiting for 6 p.m. Once it will be the time of examination, we can start the paper. See, now the time is 6 p.m. and when I refresh the page, now the button is highlighted with the name attempt quiz now. We need to click on that button. It will prompt that we need to start the paper or not. You need to click on start attempt. Once it is started, you can see first question is published. The question is, your school name is the Royal Gondwana Public School. If the answer is yes or no, the answer is yes. Tick the yes, click on the next page. Second question is your school is affiliated to CBSE? Yes, our school is affiliated. Select the proper answer, click on the next page button. Third question is, what is affiliation number of your school? The number is 11300081. For example, tick the option, click on the next page. Next question is, your school is located in which city? Obviously Nagpur. Select the Nagpur, click on the next page. So you can see the reverse counter is also there. Means it will the time remaining is prompted at the top. Next question is, your school is located in which state? The 4 options are there. If the answer is Maharashtra, click on that. Now here there is an option of finish attempt, and if you go at the bottom, there is a quiz navigation. If you want to select any question or review any question, you need to click on that. See, first question, what was my answer? Second question, what was my answer? Third question, means you can check whether the particular question is attempted or not. If the questions is having half filled, it shows that the question is attempted. Now before submission, here is one option that is finish attempt. Click on that. Once you click on that, you can see the option is there, submit all and finish. You must have to click on that. If you are not clicking on submit all and finish, it means your paper is not submitted. I'm going to click on submit all and finish. Once I click on that, again one prompt is there that we are sure to submit the question paper, because once you submit a question paper, you are not able to reattempt it. Okay, so as I feel that I solved all 5 questions, I'm going to submit and finish the question paper. When I click on that, so you can see the summary is there, how much time I have taken to solve. The question paper is out of 5 marks and I score 5 marks, that is 100% I score. Even the question along with the answer is there. If your answer is wrong, then the prompt will be like your answer is wrong. With the corrected answer option, you will highlight. I attempted 5 questions and this is the result. This is the navigation. I can click on any question and it will be displayed. Okay, so some important points are, most important point are, when you are going to submit the paper, it will ask you the prompt 3 times. You need to click on that every time. If you are not submitting it properly, then your result will not be displayed and the paper will be shown as not attempted. So be careful and submit the paper properly. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thank you all of you and best luck for coming periodic test 1. Thank you.